So I've got the last coat here. I wanted to show you all how to pretty much do a waterless wash in a proper method. Seems like a lot of people want to say you're scratching the surface and you're just causing more harm than good. But a lot of people don't have a hose and they kind of need something like this to clean their vehicle. So you could also even use it after a wash or even after clay barring and polishing the vehicle. Kind of up to you. So just wanted to show you some proper techniques on actually washing with it. So for one, get the surface nice and saturated. Don't be trying to wipe a dry area. That for sure will cause some scratching. So you got 2 microfibers. We're going to take one and we're going to wipe in lateral motions here. Now also, I'm not pressing very hard. I'm just allowing the microfiber to pull the dirt up and off the surface. Now I'm going to take my fresh one. I kind of do the same thing again, real lightly. Now I'm going to go the opposite direction that we just went, and now we're going to level the coating here. So it's really easy to actually do that. You don't need to be shoving in there like you're Arnold Schwarzenegger or Chuck Norris trying to remove the dirt. Just allow the product and the microfiber to do the work. You just really need to put it on there and just move it slowly. You don't need to be digging at it and trying to grind, the dirt off the surface. This is what's making your life easy. It's going to lift and remove it for you. So hope that explains some things, and that's kind of how us detailers actually waterless wash stuff. Thanks for watching.